Jupiter transit in Gemini 2025 to 2026 predictions for Scorpio moon sign. General overview. The Jupiter transit across Gemini will be occurring from the 8th house from your moon sign for those people with the Scorpio moon sign. This transit starts from 15th May 2025 to 30 am to 2nd June 2026. During the course of this transit, Jupiter will aspect your 12th house, 2nd house, and 4th house. There would be a considerable rise in your career, with growth and stability. You will be getting along fine with your co-workers, maintaining a cordial work environment. The cooperation between your colleagues will be increased, and they will all share positive communication. In your life together, you'll have a happy and healthy relationship. With in-depth discussions and search for common interests, build up on your relationship. Setting goals and sharing experiences will strengthen your relationship and lead you to a successful partnership. You'll find a cordial and pleasant relationship with children and older people. You'll create some good memories by engaging in collective activities and conversations. This time will help in bonding these family relationships, and happiness will be felt by all. Your health will continue to prosper. Your general well-being and health will have made a major step forward because of the balanced lifestyle and regular exercise. You are supposed to feel full of energy and extremely focused, thus propelling both your professional and personal aspirations. Students will get the great opportunity to do well in their subjects. It's a chance to soar, guaranteed that commitment and intelligent study technique will take you towards success on the academic field under the care of teachers and family support. You may have a few minor health issues, such as acne or gut troubles, during this time, when it would be a great idea to up your water intake. Your financial situation will stay balanced and will improve. You will become a good manager of resources, saving and investing more than before. With this rise in finances, your sense of decision-making will improve. Career. You should expect a smooth progression in your career at this time. Progress will take place noticeably in the current position, leading to multiple opportunities for career advancement. There will be better working relationships between you and your advancement as you move up the ladder. Since a collaborative spirit will surround you, all tasks can be completed faster, so you can achieve your goals as a team. Such an atmosphere will definitely help you and your team reach your goals with much consideration. A promotion is almost certain when those contributions become larger and more substantial. These promotions will be accompanied by salary increases to reward loyalty and commitment to the position. The extra compensation will allow easy visibility of your day's work at your workplace. All in all, this time should thus shine with a lot of professional fulfillment. You will be looking forward to enjoying work and profitable interactions with colleagues. Strong relationships will increase the satisfaction you feel about your work. Love, family, and relationship. Your bond with your family members will be strong and expressive. There will be lots of love and respect in your conversations, building the relationship that will last over time. Being an occasion, it will be enjoyed as a family while in total harmony with one another. You will never find support and attain understanding from these close-knit relationships. Definitely, it will be a fun and romantic relationship with a beloved partner. You will find happiness with those people. You will create beautiful moments full of joy with your beloved one together. Like interests will serve as a connecting path for the two of us and therefore allow us to create a relationship. Improve your affection and trust in one another daily. Married life. Marriage will be enjoyable with charm and inexpressible enjoyment. The connection between the two will conversely mark each other's charms. Interacting each other will add delighting memories tied with mutual understanding. You will heighten love for your partner. Together, you will bring infections of joy to your engagement, adding to greater connections. Get ready to explore and have some great conversations. This will make your time together delightful and pleasant. This bond will cement your marriage-making assurance between you and your partner. Finance. At this point in time, your financial life is in excellent shape, making it the perfect environment for conservative decisions about investments. Right here and right now is a perfect opportunity to look into options that will help boost your wealth. Along with the support of your family and friends, you can now seek your financial dreams with conviction. Their support will encourage you to strike at the gates of the investment world with conviction. This backing can provide both reassurance and inspiration. As you do this, you will have the possibilities of expanding your income base. This would place you in a position where you could take calculated risks for potentially greater payoffs. To sum it all up, your prevailing circumstances offer conducive ground to leverage and make useful strides toward the sector of financial growth. Education. Primary and secondary school students are expected to score good grades. Likewise, the same is the case with undergraduates aiming at very good grades and good standing. This positivity prevails in postgraduate studies to give good names to their respective study areas. For them, this is really a chance to apply for a student visa for an overseas education. Getting that visa gives the chance to be exposed to foreign experiences and width of education. PhD. Students need to invest an adequate amount of their energy into writing up their theses. The recognition from the academic world will help instill acknowledgement into their work as an academic endeavor. All this requires hard work, careful planning, and, above all, dedication to quality research. Achieving these objects lays down a strong base for future success in academic as well as professional endeavors. Health. While you may face some minor health issues during travel or on adjusting to a new environment, common concerns include skin and digestive troubles such as bloating or feeling sick. To mitigate these problems, stay hydrated. Drinking adequate water helps improve your health and skin. But you should also watch what you eat. Many tourists indulge themselves on street vendor food, which can, at times, leave you in a rather uncomfortable situation. As far as your stomach is concerned, you might find yourself cuter and feeling good if you pay the extra buck for something cleaner. Sticking to hydration and carefully picking on nutrition choices may help in your health a great deal during your trips. Such little changes guarantee a very pleasant experience as your trip progresses. Remedies. Practice meditation daily for 30 minutes. Friday fast on salads and fruits will help. Chant Om Narayana Mantra for 10 times daily. Chant Kanda Sasti Kavacha early morning on Tuesday.